Hello friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3Way. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will be see an example of a screen flow in Salesforce. So in this screen flow, we will be create a subflow. A subflow is an auto launch flow which is referred by another flow and called the subflow at the runtime. Use the subflow input and output assignment to pass data between the parent flow and the subflow. So in the subflow, we will be pass the data from parent flow to subflow. In this scenario, we will create a subflow to create related record of account based on user choice picklist value. So we will create a choice set where if user select contact, then they will create a contact record, and user select the opportunity, then they create a opportunity record. So help of the subflow, user can create both of the object record, contact and opportunity. So let's get started. Live example. So this is the potential of my R. Simply go to the setup flow and create new flow from here. Select screen flow, create. Change the auto layout to freeform. As you know, I launch this flow from account record. So I need a record ID of account. So I need to create a variable of record ID. So new resource, select variable record ID, data type text, then input and output available for input and done. Go to element, select screen, drag and drop here. So I will create two choices here. Select choice option. So I give him the name the flow level choice. Select choice option. So user can create a contact and user can create opportunity from subflow. So here I will create a two choice. So there is a picklist value. Select picklist. Give the name choice option. In the choice option picklist value, there is a choice. Select. Then I will create two choices here. First for create a contact and second create for opportunity. So select choice, API name contact, label name is contact, and choice value is contact. Then done. Create another one choice set for opportunity. Select choice, API name opportunity. Label name is opportunity and value is always opportunity and done. So I created two choice, contact and opportunity. If user select contact, user can select opportunity, then done. Match the arrow here. After that, we will make a decision here. I make a decision here. Decision for create record. In decision, there are two type of decision. User select your contact your opportunity. So first, if user select contact, if user select contact, then this screen will display choice option equal to contact. Your is if select opportunity. If you select opportunity, then this screen opportunity will screen display. Done. Match the arrow. So I make decision here. After that, I create a screen pro, screen, contact for creator. Name the level of screen. And as you know, if you're creating a record of contact, there are last name field is mandatory. So I make a two field here. First name and last name. First name and last name. Last name is a required field for contact. Then done. If select contact, if you select contact, then this screen visual. Then create a record. Create a contact record. Create contact. Select use separate resource. I am creating a contact, so here I am selecting contact object. This is a label, this is the name of the field, and there is a value. So here is first name. First name will be assigned first name, last name. Here is the assign the value. Value will be come from a screen flow. Last name. And there is another one field account ID. As you know, account ID is a lookup field into where is a contact to account. So it is a pass the account ID here. Select record ID. Record ID just I created a variable in the starting of the session. Then done. So I created a record of contact. User have the option to create opportunity here also. So you need to select a screen, another one a screen, give the name opportunity record. As you know, if you creating a record of opportunity, there are three fields are mandatory: name, close date, and stage name. So name is a string type. I will select text. Name is also required. Date, close date is a data fields. So I will select date. And stage name. Make a required also. And stage name is a pick list value. So select here pick list. Stage name. So friends, stage name it is a pick list value. So pick list option will be come from opportunity. So I will make a choice set here. New choice set resource. Select pick list choice set. API name. Stage name. Object. Opportunity. Data type pick list. Stage. Field name stage name. And default order of field. Then done. So it will fetch the record. It will fetch the pick list option from opportunity using the choice set. So I give a name, close date, and stage name. Then done. Stage name option. Done. So I make a screen here. If user select opportunity option, then this screen will be appear. Then create a record of opportunity. Select create record, drag and drop here. Create OPT record. Select use separate resource. Because I am creating a opportunity record, so I am selecting here opportunity. This is the name of the field and this is the value. So in the opportunity, there is a three fields: name, value will be assigned name, close date, value will be assigned close date, stage name option, and there is a lookup field account ID. Here it will be assigned record ID. Then done. Make the match the arrow here. So after that, I am saving the flow, create contact, subflow to create contact and opportunity. Subflow to create contact and opportunity. I am giving the name this and save it. After saving, I will activate this. After activated this flow, go to the account. Go to the account, open any of the record, edit the page, search flow in the left side, drag and drop. I am drag and drop right side on the top. Here you will search your on flow. My flow name subflow. This is my subflow. I am selecting this one. Then save it. No. After selecting this subflow, you will check mark this checkbox also. Because I am passing the record ID of account. Because I am calling this subflow on the record of account. So I am passing the record ID to the contact and opportunity. So you must check this option. Then save it. Record layout has been saved. Then go back. As you can see, my subflow is appear here. So first I am creating contact. So there is two choice: contact and opportunity. As per requirement, if user select contact, then they will create a contact record. If user select opportunity, then they will create opportunity record. And both of the record will be tagged into this account. So as you can see, there is no contact here, there is no opportunity. So first I am creating a contact. Then next, first name Vijay Kumar. Next. So yes, you can see one contact has been created and tagged into this account ID. Now I am creating opportunity. So first I am selecting opportunity, then next. It is asking name, close date and a stage name because three fields are mandatory for creating a opportunity. In this record of account, there is no opportunity. So I am creating opportunity. Vijay test OPP, close date 16, stage name, select any one qualification, then next. As you can see, one opportunity has been created successfully. So a user can create account and opportunity from subflow. So friends, it is working fine. Try to do from your side in your org. If you any stucking from your side, please write in comment box. And if you do not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so